Question number 29, presentation list number 3. So the first thing as we want to do is rewrite it. So the reason we are rewriting it is because we want to know if this is correct, if this actually equals to 1. So once we are done rewriting it without the 1, we will be transforming the expressions. So we start off with the most complicated side, which that would be our right side, and we will just leave our left side alone, which will lead us to being 1 over 1 sin equals x plus 1, since sin is another way of doing CSC. And we would just bring down the 1 sin x plus 1. So in this case, we would be putting our common denominator for this. So this would end up being 1, 2, so what we did in this case is we put the denominator to be the same, and what we have right here, we just switched it around. So we put 1 plus sine x, and then we put it over sine, and then we would just bring down what we had in our other side. So then once we have this, the best thing is factoring it down. So the best way we could do this is doing it over sine to the x plus 1 plus sine, and then we would put plus 1 over sine x plus 1. So then we will we'll just end up is equaling it, since this is the last factors, since we have the same denominator, which is sine x plus 1. So we would just put 1 plus sine to the x over sine x plus 1, and sine x plus 1 over sine x plus 1. And we know the rule of any expression divided by itself would equal 1. So number 29 is true.